Right, what's up, Joel? Hope you're doing well today. I'm really hoping you're watching this video, okay? You need to make sure you're watching these so you're getting the full instruction of what I'm trying to have you learn with these. If we're gonna fast pace you, I just need to make sure that you're watching these so I know you're getting the full instruction. So if you get bored, I'm sorry, but or if you get it really fast, make sure you watch the whole video just in case you miss something or there's a piece that I tell you at the end that you didn't hear because you stopped watching it too soon. But make sure you're watching this, okay? So today you're going to be learning about the ruler postulate, and I think you're going to pick up on it pretty quickly, but let me kind of give you some definitions on it. It's a postulate, or in other words, an axiom in geometry, and a ruler is so with a rule that has been accepted as being true without any proof. Okay, so a theorem is a rule that has been proven as true automatically. Okay, so what a ruler postulate is points on a line can be matched 1 to 1 with real numbers. Okay, so we have a formula that I gave you right here. It's AB equals x2 minus x1. It's kind of like that formula of finding the slope of a line, right? x2 minus x1 over x2, or y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. It's very, very similar, except now you have absolute value signs and you're just doing that x piece. So if we're looking at a line or a ruler and it asks you, what is the measure of xy? So we're looking here and here. So we know that this is -4, and we know that this is 2. And so what we can do is we can label these, and we would label this our x, our x1, and we would label this our y here, because that's our second value, our x2, right? So they're just simply telling us that we have one x and we have another x. So we have one x and we have two x's. So we have two total of x's, right? And so what we do is if we're looking for this, we plug it into our formula. And so what we end up having is we say, we know that xy is going to equal the absolute value. So let me get that sign up. The absolute value of, so our x2 is 2. So notice my formula, 2 minus -4. So what we can do is that we can now solve this. So 2 minus -4 is going to end up giving us 6. So xy equals the absolute value 6, which will then in return, of course, is going to be xy equals 6. Okay, so your answer for this first one is 6. That's all the ruler postulate is, but make sure you know this formula. Okay, it's something that people tend to forget about the absolute value signs. Just know that everything's going to come out as a negative answer because you're looking at the distance between something, and you're not going to have a negative distance. Okay, so you're looking at the distance, is always going to come out as a positive answer. Try these next two, see if you get them correct, and then let me know. It really doesn't matter the order of this. Again, it doesn't matter, but as long as you follow the same rule of what we're trying to teach you, if you do x1 first, x1 always has to be first, right? So following the signs, you're still subtracting, things like that. All right, if you have any questions, let me know. And then I'm going to show you a video of the segment additional postulate, and then you can go ahead and do the practice activity. Cool. Good luck, Joel.